Okay, so I got a 4.5 inch. I think it's 4.5 inch. Yeah, I got a 4.5 inch. Right there. 4.5 inch dry grinder blade. It's a diamond blade for dry cutting on a grinder for cutting porcelain tiles and hard materials. So I'm going to try this out and see how it works. First I'm going to do a straight cut, and then I'm going to try a curve cut and see how it goes. So when you put these blades on your machine, they always have a direction. See how there's an arrow there? Can you see that? It's got an arrow. That is the direction that it's supposed to turn. And then on the grinder, it'll also be an arrow. So you want those arrows to match. So so when you put this on, you want it to be so that they turn the same way. That one's going that way, that one's going that way. So it's turning in the same direction. So I forgot to mention, this blade is made by RTC, or Russo Trading Company, and they make some really good quality stuff. I actually have one of their tile snap cutters, which is the Razor Pro, that I've been using, and works really good too. So I also have a video for that. I'll put a link in the description below. But anyway, back to the blade, which they call the Shield. So first I'm going to do a straight cut. I tried it out here to see how it goes, and it's a very nice cut. I mean, it's very little chipping. So now I'm going to do a straight cut. Well, that cut's pretty good. It's not very straight, but it's just a demonstration. So that does pretty good. Not much chipping at all. So I'm going to try a curve cut now. So one of the things you need when you're installing porcelain tile is a dry diamond blade for your grinder. Now this Shield, a 4.5 inch diamond blade, it fits that bill. It's a good blade, cuts clean, very little chipping, if any, and it cuts through this porcelain like it's butter. It just rips right through it. I've used a lot of different blades, and some of them you really have to struggle with, but not this one. This one does a really nice job. Some guys like to do it that way, the way I did this one. Other guys like to do it this way. But that's your curve cut. So this actually is pretty nice blade. It works really nice. Pretty effortless to cut that porcelain.